Hello everyone, this is Howard, in charge of technical support from the SIU industry, and today we will show you the CAM520 Pro3 unboxing, and today we will introduce more detail about this box. And let me start it, and we just open this box, beautiful box here, and first you can see the cover on the top, and the inside is the camera. Okay, so this is the camera, our CAM520 Pro3, and it's covered by the plastic bag. And we just take out the camera, and you can see this is CAM520 Pro3. It's almost the same like CAM520 Pro2, but it's quite different. Is here. This camera is improved because we have more HDMI port here. So in this camera, you can do the three-way output because it has a HDMI, USB, RJ40, but also have the PoE port here. Okay, so it's an improvement about the CAM520 Pro3. And then we want to, I will go to show you more detail about the inside the box. Okay, and under the camera you can see the two paper and the accessory box here. And I just take out these two paper. Is very important paper because for the first one is the QR code paper. So you can just scan, use your camera, use your phone to scan the QR code here. You can go through to the quick start guide and use the manual. Also, you can download the PDG app tool here. Okay, and another paper is this one. Is for the wall mount installation, so you can use this paper to set up your wall to do the installation about the wall mount. Okay, and then we go on to introduce about the accessory box here. Okay, and we just open the accessory box. Then you can see the many stuff here. Okay, so the first one, the remote control. And the remote control is also covered by a plastic bag. And okay, you can see it is the same as like CAM520 Pro2, also CAM550 and CAM570. Okay, and 5 meters USB cable. Also, we have the whole core here, and for your convenience, so we provide a lot of different type of an adapter. So you can switch a different adapter depend on your region. Okay. Also, we provide the RS232 cable, and you can see here, this one is the material of the mount. So another big one, also on the bottom of the box. So you can see for CAM520 Pro3 wall mount, it has two material. So you can use these two material to installation in your meeting room. Okay, and we also provide a screw, so you can easily and safely set up your camera in your meeting room. Okay, both screws here. Okay, so you can see that is all detail about the CAM520 Pro3. Okay, and later on we will also show the more detail and the new feature and more selling point about the CAM520 Pro3. And for the unboxing, thank you for your watching, and see you next time.
Hi, next on we would like to show you how to connect your CAM520 Pro3 to your laptop, also your monitor. So you need to prepare a USB cable, and we can see the now we can see the interface of CAM520 Pro3 and have a lot of port here. And we just insert your USB cable into the USB port, and the another side connect to your laptop. Okay, so this is the first way to connect your camera. And another way you can prepare a HDMI cable to connect the camera to your monitor. So put your HDMI cable, also insert to the HDMI port. And then we back to the monitor. You can see the image here is the same of your laptop. And you can out of this the two images at the same time. Then we will start introduce about this camera, CAM520 Pro3. And this camera has totally different. Is he has one more port, HDMI port, compared to CAM520 Pro2. He can connect to the HDMI devices. And its top 6 selling point about this camera. And first one, he offers the Full HD, and he has the total 36 times total room, and he can capture more detail in the meeting room. And he offers the smart composition feature. Is almost the same feature like smart gallery. He can automatically crop in each participant face or body in the suitable frame. And quite different like a smart gallery is built-in the CAM520 Pro3. So you just only select the smart composition mode on the PTZ app tool or remote control. You can enable this feature. And also he has efficient auto framing and the preset framing feature to follow the presenter in preset areas. And it also built in the Sony sensor to enable the WDR. And this slide is show how this camera to do the three-way output. It can do the three-way output via the HDMI way, USB way, and also the RJ45 way to do the three-way output at the same time. And compared to CAM520 Pro2, it has more bigger room, and he has built-in hardware smart composition feature, and he has HDMI output port. And this is introduction about the CAM520 Pro3. 3, 2, 1. So now we would like to show you the feature is smart composition. And this feature will capture each participant in the meeting room to frame to the individual frame. And right now, we just enable the smart composition and your calculation every participant. So right now you can see that each participant in a different individual frame. And right now I can act like a phone to left this meeting room. And the camera will recalculate again to each participant to frame to the suitable image. Okay, and then every participant just move out to this meeting room, and the camera will recalculate again. And you can see when the participant only 3 participants here, it will become to another image like this. And if I just left this meeting room, you can see a different frame for this feature, smart composition. Okay, so when the participant come back to his position, and the camera will recalculation again. And when all participants come back to the meeting room, the frame will automatically frame to the suitable image. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Okay, and this feature is called preset framing. Preset framing is a feature you need to set up the preset area in advance. And this preset area need to overlap to each one. And when presenter walk through in this preset area, the camera will automatically check the presenter to frame the specific area. Just like right now, I have already preset the area in advance, and I just walk around in this preset area. and the camera will follow me to find the certificate area where the presenter is. So you call the presenter me.